In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own virtual friend using Replika AI. It's simple, fun, and a cool way to explore AI companionship. Let's get started. First, go to the Replika AI website. Replika also has an app, but in this video, we're using the website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a button that says, Create your replica. Click on that to begin. Now it's time to create an account. You can use your Google account or email to sign up. I'm using my Google account. Next, it will ask for your name and gender. Fill those out. Then it'll ask how old you are. Just type in your age. Now it's avatar time. There are a few different avatars you can choose from. I'm going with this friendly girl one. She looks cool. Next up, name your replica and choose its gender. I'm naming mine Replika. Nice and easy. After setting it up, you'll see an option to unlock Replika Pro. 1 month is around $20, but when you first create your account, you might get a discount, like $5 or $6 a month for 12 months. So if you're interested, go ahead and grab it. And now your virtual friend is ready. You can start texting with your replica right away. You can even create images with your replica, but to view them, you'll need to upgrade. There's also a diary where you can write thoughts and track your emotions. You can change your replica's role, like friend, girlfriend, wife, and more. You can also adjust the voice to sound caring, confident, calm, and other options. And if you want, you can customize your replica's clothes, appearance, and even personality traits. So that's how you create your own virtual friend with Replika AI. It's easy, fun, and kind of amazing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.